just in the delivery place, and I'm saying I hate when you gotta take your truck off the trailer and then this shit happen. Oh my god, look what I did. Guys, look what I did. Look what I did. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I was pulling straight ahead and I did not put my landing gear down. So now that I actually put it down, I don't know what to do. So I'm wondering if I should lower my airbags and slide back under it. So because it's too low right now to go under. So I'm trying to request help, but ain't nobody answering me. So I'm wondering if I should lower my airbags. This will both be like, this will be like an experiment for both me and you, because I don't know what the hell to do right now. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Yeah, I actually lower it now because what the hell I'm gonna do? I can't let it sit on the wheels or sit on that thing. Oh my god, I can't let it sit on the wheels or that. God. Oh my god, nobody's picking up! So the recording before, I was like freaking out because my dad was not picking up and that's the only person I had in mind to call. But when he did end up coming back, that's why there was no sound on this one. And he told me to go inside and let them know not to go in the trailer because it was like unsafe at the moment, obviously. I did end up start lowering the airbag, as you could see. And that was kind of helping, which I'm going to show. And that was common sense to lower the airbags, to let the trailer lift a little bit. Or to let it sink, let the frame sink down. But, yeah, I was freaking out. I was trying to see if you could see the airbags. And then someone did show up, and then I asked that person for help once they had stopped. The man asked me how heavy it was, and I said 22,000, and his face was like, oh my god. But anyways, he tried his hardest. His vein looked like he was gonna come through his forehead, and he was there. Man, I'm so grateful. Then he hopped up in my truck. It was just crazy. But I was so grateful for the help, because obviously I can do that. I was not gonna do that, and it was helping. See, as you could see, it was coming off the wheels and was already off the frame because I synced the airbag. I let the airbag. This is me walking back. It's okay. Thank you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Thank you. My other video now is of my pickup. I then left right there and I went to the pickup afterwards. Enjoy. Bye. after loading me right there, I went to close the door and, you know, inspecting all that shit. And I saw a burst bag, like, and then they put a rag, like, right there to, like, not let it spill in the trailer. And I'm like, yeah, I'm pointing this out just so y'all don't say I did that. Bye.